Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off music and sound on Homescapes. So if you want to turn off your sound settings and the music settings for your Homescapes game, then the process is quite easy. First, go ahead and open your Homescapes application and then make sure that you're inside the game. If you want to turn off sound settings or the music settings from Homescapes, simply go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up displayed on the screen, you'll be able to see the sound icon and the music icon at the bottom right. Simply tap on both of the icons and make sure that both of them are disabled. If it is disabled, you'll be able to see a red cross icon displayed right in front of the options. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to turn off music on your Homescapes game and enjoy the music-free experience. So that is how easy it is to turn off sound and music on Homescapes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.